USDJPY today analysis. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about dollar against yen. Before we start the video, this dollar pair is very critical, so make sure you watch the video till the end, okay? For now, subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification. Below the video you will find some links. You can join a free Telegram channel. If you want some free signals, check out the brokers and a prop firm here. Check out these links, subscribe and like, it's all free. Okay, so let's get back and start the top down approach with weekly. In weekly we are down. So yeah, so we had three blue candles in last 3 weeks, then last 2 weeks, or maybe starting today we are trying to go down, so the time will tell. Weekly too far, so we will not pay any attention, and only we will see, or we will understand that we are down in weekly. Okay, so coming back to daily, in daily we did close above the EMA on 12th of May. Okay, so we had the uptrend from here till here, and this could nearly be a pullback. This is where the situation is critical, that is this only a pullback and then we're going to go up, or this is going to continue down. Okay, but as for me, because we have broken all the previous highs, so you see this blue candle has broken all the previous highs, so after this pullback is over we will continue going up. That is what my understanding is. But unfortunately, a lot of people must have lost the money during this pullback as well, because it has been pulling up since last 5 days, pulling down since last 5 days. Okay, so a lot of people must have been trapped here and they lost their money, I believe. But this is only a pullback of this uptrend as per me. Coming back to 4 hour here. Okay, in 4 hour we are below the EMA. Okay, so this candle is closing in very soon, I guess, in how many 32 seconds. Okay, so if this new candle makes the new low by breaking this low, then look for shorts after every pullback. Okay, so let me wait for 20 seconds so that we can see if this candle has broken the previous low or not. Otherwise it might turn into a double bottom. So 14 seconds to go, so let's wait. Okay, 10 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. There you go. So this candle is at 908. This is at 882. So this has broken the previous low. Okay, so this low is broken by this candle, so your target should be going down. Look for shorts after each pullback. Okay, so maybe wait for the pullback and then enter short entry. So for now, I think the situation is, I will not say go for the buy long position until unless this previous high is broken by another blue candle in 4 hour. Okay, if you have to look for buys or longs, only enter longs after this high is broken. Otherwise, look for shorts after each pullback. If you like what you see, share, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.